By creating a mywater account, you will be able to manage your water accounts, apply to trade water entitlements and allocations, make online payments and more, all from one convenient portal. Here's how to create an account. From the customer portal, select Sign Up. The next screen will prompt you to enter your personal details. The name and email address that you select under Contact Information should be the details of the license holder. mywater will send levy notices to the name and address nominated at this stage. You can choose to receive communications from water licensing via email or post by selecting your preferred option from the drop-down menu here. Once you have submitted your request to create an account, it will go to water licensing staff to validate. You'll then receive an email at the address you used to sign up. This email will ask you to contact the water licensing team so they can finalize your account setup. Once your account has been activated, you'll be ready to start using the service. If you need any further help, feel free to contact our water licensing staff.